This is GMA DZWD Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000 watt transmitting power, authorized under temporary license number DSD 0397-2006, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2009. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Cuyat, Landansora, Quezon City. GMA Engineering is headed by Engineer Joselito Remulla. GMA transmission crew is composed of electronics and communications engineers and first-class radio operators with license number issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Tomas ECE number 3010. LV Sancheta, ECE number 3575. Erwin Timbre, ECE number 3650. Reniel de la Cruz, ECE number 15741. Benito Manari, ECE number 21627. Jonathan Salmo, ECE number 19705. Ruel D. Castro, 941 PNCR 12224. Renato Gonzalez, 941 PNCR 10804. Almario Lonto, 961 PNCR 16684. Rafael A. Racelis, 941 PNCR 11977. Remigio Apostol, 931 PNCR 5564. Alan Mangubat, 971 TXI 20349. Chico Narboada, 951 TVII 13315. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in over 43 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA 7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV13 Aparig, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV7 Tubigarao, TV7 Abra, TV7 Quirino, TV5 Balimbong, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV13 Catanduanes, TV8 Coron, Palawan, TV12 Puerto Princesa, Palawan, TV6 Woods Point, Palawan, Visayas, TV5 Calbayo, TV8 Borongan, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Leyte, TV8 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV10 Bacolod, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV10 Sipalay, TV5 Dumaguete, Mindanao, TV10 Surigao, TV11 Iligan, TV2 Candag, TV4 Dipolog, TV5 Ozanes, TV12 Kitanglad, TV3 Pagadian, TV5 Davao, TV12 Cotabato, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Polo, TV12 Cagayan de Oro. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing on.
Kaisa tayo sa isip, kaisa tayo sa damdamin. Iisa ang ating pangarap, makulay na mundo, maging lalong makulay.
Ang buhay laging makulay, gumaganda ng tunay. Kumikinang, tumitingkad, lumilinaw, sumisikat. Sa puso, anumang kulay ng buhay. Magulat ngayon, pamilyang Pilipino, walang kasing saya. Bukay sarap na darama, samahan at halakhakan. Bukay tamis, sumisikip, pusong nagmamahalan.
Kaisa tayo sa isip, kaisa tayo sa damdamin. Isa ang ating pangarap, makulay na mundo, maging lalong makulay. Sa GMA makulay, sa GMA ang buhay. Kumikinang, tumitingkad, lumilinaw, Sumisikat kapuso, anumang kulay ng buhay. Mahulay ang buhay.
Kapuso GMA.
Mahulay ang buhay.
Ang susunod na palabas ay rated PG.